So welcome to the second video on Google Agent Development Kit. And in the first video, we saw a demonstration of the ready demo code given by Google, which had one agent and two tools attached. That is weather tool and the current time tool. Just hard-coded tool with one specific city in New York. In this video, we will demonstrate that, but we will also see how easy it is to add another tool. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Schogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. Okay, so when you clone the repo, the URL is given in the description. You will come to a folder like this, Techie Talks AI Google Agent 001. And there, all you need to do is to say Docker Compose up, which will start the agentic application along with Google's agent development web interface, which is very nice. Okay, so this is the agent development web interface, and this is our tool. How is the weather in New York? Okay. So it gives us the tool call. And if you click on it, you will see how the tool call is happening. What is the current time? New York. Okay. There is a typo. What is the current time in New York? Very current time. So if you click on it, the payload that goes across can be seen here. So this is very handy to debug. Okay, get weather, get current time. Plenty of information that can help us in debugging. Okay, so now what we'll do is we will add one more function, just a sample dummy function called greeting. We will add a motivational quote function. Can you give me a motivational quote? So let's see. I'm sorry, I cannot provide motivational quotes. I can only answer questions about time and weather in a city. So because this agent has only two tools attached to it. Now let's look at, so here get current time, get weather are two functions that are there. So I have already created the next version where I have added the get motivation method. So I have hard-coded some motivation with the possibility to embed the name. So we can personalize it. So this is the format, the name of the method, the doc string that explains what it does, the input parameters and the response. And then here in the root agent or the agent creation in tool section, we need to add the newly added tool. Here also in this description, you can add the capability that you have added. Okay, so how do we run it? Let's restart. I'm Sri. Can you motivate me? Okay, it detected the tool get motivation. Say strong Sri, your best is yet to come. Okay, so that is the way you can add additional tools. So this is a tiny demonstration of showcasing how easily you can construct your own agents using Google's Agent Dev Kit and attach tools to it. Remember, these tools too can be agentic. So we will further build Streamlined-based web UI that acts as a client connected to this agent. Okay, so thank you for your time. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and give your valuable comments. Bye-bye.